Hey everyone, Bobby here from Bipper Media. We're super excited to tell you about our new refreshed ebook. It's called the same as before, Top 25 Local SEO Tips to Grow Your Business in Google Search. But AI is upon us. AI is huge. It's actually taken over Google Search with Google AI Overview and all Gen AI apps, especially ChatGPT. So our new ebook tells you not only how to rank higher and gain more visibility in Google Search and Google Maps, but we dive deep into AI and SEO for AI. As you know, as I'm sure all your customers know, they are searching in Google and ChatGPT looking for products and services and businesses just like yours. It's critically important that you be optimizing for AI and Google Search, and our new ebook talks all about it. So get the link, enter your email, get the free ebook, and we can't wait to talk to you soon.